Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to enable biometric login in the DBS Digibank app. First, open the app and log in into your account. Once you've logged in, next go to the settings or security section inside the app. Look for options like Face ID, Fingerprint or biometric login. Then, turn the feature on and follow the instructions on your screen. Your phone will ask you to confirm using your Face ID or Fingerprint. Once enabled, you can log in quickly without entering your password every time. Then go ahead and go to your settings app and then search for Face ID and passcode, and make sure your device supports biometric features and that they are already set up in your phone settings. That's how you enable biometric login in DBS app. Subscribe for more simple and helpful features.